بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome back again to our book. Today we are in page 58, the second part. طيب, let's jump into it. We have الحرف مفتوح وممدود بالألف. A letter which is مفتوح, which has a fatha, وممدود, and which has been stretched or which has been made long, meaning the sound has been made long, بالألف, using alif. Remember we said we have three long vowels in Arabic. We have alif, ya, and waw. طيب. So we are using alif for now, okay? Then afterwards we'll go through ya and waw. طيب. Let's continue. So we have الحرف مفتوح, a letter which is just مفتوح, it has a fatha. ممدود بالألف, and a letter which has been stretched using alif. So we have أنا, 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 and na, أنا, 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 أنا. So if you follow this sound, if you get it very well, the rest should be easy. So we have أنا, أنا, بنا, بانا, تانا, تانا, ثنا, ثانا, جانا, جانا, حنا, حانا, خنا, خانا, دانا, 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 ذانا, 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 رانا, 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 زانا, 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 سانا, 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 سانا. طيب, you can hear سانا, سانا, سانا. The first one here is long or has been stretched. سانا. طيب. Then we have شانا, 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 صانا, 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 ضانا, 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 طانا, 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 طانا. طيب, let's continue. Then we have ظانا, 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 عانى, 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 غنى, غانى, غنى, غانى, فنى, فانى, فنى, فانى, قانى, 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 كان, 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 لنا, لانا, لنا, لانا, مانا, 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 نانا, 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 وانا, 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 هانا, 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 يانا, 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 يانا. طيب. So you can go through from the beginning till the end on your own. Just try, keep on doing it, repeat the video if you didn't understand, and Remember we said the Arabic long vowels are 3: Alif, Waw and Ya. Inshallah, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and share with other people. Thank you so much. مع السلامة. See you in the next page.